in Jamaica, several of our species are on the Endangered Species Act. That is one of the acts that regulate that. Some of them are also on CITES that deal with the trade, international trade, which prevent you from making the plant or animal extinct. Now when we look at the animals, majority of our birds are protected. That are native. These are birds that are naturally found here. And normally during bird shooting season, during August, the minister put in an exception to allow the shooting for the birds at that time. Selected bird species like the white-crowned pigeon, Zenada and stuff. However, outside of the season, all of these birds are protected. NEPA has done their part in educating the people, like telling the time when you're allowed to shoot the birds. And they have played their part in monitoring, hearing people, like with rifles. But if you go online, you have some gentlemen that have slingshots. You wouldn't believe what a slingshot can do. I mean, I saw a guy shooting a bird out the air with a slingshot. And they are shooting anything that would fly, I would tell you. They just shoot, shoot, shoot. Even birds that are not on the legal list to shoot. So, yes, some people will tell you, that's how I grew up in the country. You get a slingshot and you go shoot bird, but things change. Imagine you having a lot of people doing that. Check social media again. These guys have YouTube channels with what they're doing. And they're not hiding. And some of them, when you reach out and tell them, say, boy, you know what you're doing all right, they will stop. But you also have some of the guys now coming up. For example, to have yellow bill and black bill and Jamaica parakeet, they are protected by law. But you got enough places to see people have them as pet. And some of the people who make soup with them, it's totally illegal. And you also now have people now coming on social media and show you video how them gum tree, how them do this. Like, there's no consequences. It does have an impact on the population, and most time the powers that be cannot be there to monitor. It's a community member will have to do them role and say, my youth, cool, don't do that, you know. Go back, go look on the bird.